1960 में आई फिल्म हम हिंदुस्तानी का ये गाना तो आपको याद ही होगा। छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी। हालांकि गाने के सेंटिमेंट्स हम समझते हैं, मगर कल की बातें हम कैसे छोड़ दें, स्पेशली तब जब हर तरफ आजकल उसी के चर्चे हो रहे हैं। नहीं समझे? अरे हम कल की यानी कि प्रभास, दीपिका पादुकोण, अमिताभ बच्चन और कमल हसन स्टारर कल की 2898 AD की बात कर रहे हैं। While the film is releasing on the 27th of this month, कल शाम यानी कि वेंसडे को रखा गया इस फिल्म का एक शानदार प्री रिलीज इवेंट, जिसमें मौजूद थे फिल्म के मेन लीड्स। Which is why the event itself seemed as entertaining as a full-length feature film because it was filled with some amazing moments. To begin with, Deepika was seen flaunting her baby bump in full glory for the first time at the event as she took a dig at her own baby bump. When Rana Daggubati mentioned that she was still in character, referencing to her pregnancy, Deepika replied by saying that since the movie went on for 3 years, she decided to carry on the baby bump for a few months more.
You're still in character.
I mean, the movie went on for about 3 years, so I was like, why not? Just a few months more.
So Nagi's really pushed you into being a method actor then?
I mean, clearly.
And when Prabhas got up from his seat to help Deepika walk down the stage, this was Amit G's hilarious reaction. Speaking of Prabhas, so he confessed that he was still stressed as always before a big release and thanked the show's co-host and his Bahubali co-star Rana Daggubati for helping him.
I'm stressed the same way. So yeah, the first time when I came, like, you really helped me. I was like, wow, please help, what should I do?
Amit G once again won everybody over with his humor as he playfully stopped Prabhas from escorting Deepika back on the stage. He then outran him to hold her hand as she joined the team. Wahin Kamal Haasan admitted that he had always wanted to play the bad man because the bad man gets away with everything in the film.
I always wanted to play bad man because the bad man gets to do all the good things in films, where the heroes are singing romantic songs and waiting for the heroine, where he can just go ahead and do what he wants.
He also confessed how he had done a lot of research and had come up with an excellent idea for his look in the film, only to be told by the director Nag Ashwin that Amit G was already going for that look.
So I thought I would dress myself up in such a way people will turn around and look at me. And I got an idea. I would do some research and come, oh, that Amit G is doing that. What you came up with, he is already doing it.
He then hilariously added that after all his look ideas were taken by the other stars of the film, only the pregnant look remained.
I didn't want to be pregnant in the film. Otherwise, I would have tried that as well.
While Amit G continued pulling Prabhas's leg by saying that on set, they used to seek each other's blessings by touching each other's feet.
We touch each other's feet. He never allows me to do that, but
Well, looks like the cast that jokes together stays together. Are you excited for Kalki 2898 AD? Do let us know in the comments and make sure to subscribe to Shosha for your daily dose of entertainment.